Oh, and this is Matt Hughes, and I'm at the Panasonic booth, and I've got all of their ERVs behind me, and I've got Ken Nelson who's going to go through each one of them, talk about how to size it properly, and actually what an ERV is and how it works.
Hey Matt, let's take a quick tour of our WhisperComfort ERV. It's a 10, 20, 30, 40 CFM ERV. We can use this in small footprint locations, single rooms, stuff like that. So real quick inside, I'm going to pop this grill off so that we can kind of take a look at it. Wait. So what's going to happen is you're going to have supply air coming in through here. It's going to run through this MERV6 filter. It passes through our capillary core system and is injected fresh air is injected into the house. Exhaust air is taken from the top 2 inches at the ceiling level, pushed back through that core where that energy transfer occurs, and then it's ejected outside of the house. This is a great little device to work in a large media room or someplace like that where it creates this zonal fresh air strategy. The very cool part now is that we've got some control functions that will actually allow the fan to self-trigger. This particular control has a 20, 40, 60 timer, so 20, 40, 60 minutes countdown timer, on, always on, off. But I can also come over here and activate this with the VOC trigger. So if I get carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, or a large VOC application, that will trigger itself. And then from there, I can literally go to our application and I can trigger this from the application. Or the application will start it or stop it however I choose. Right, so we have a number of ways to turn it on. It turns off automatically, provides fresh air into those spaces. This is our most popular application. We love this device. In fact, we're in the process right now of enhancing it on a number of different levels. So this is a great little solution. So Matt, this is kind of what the enthalpic core will look like. You'll have an airstream going through this direction and another airstream going through this direction. So while the two are going different directions, they never actually touch. It uses a capillary process to move water vapor from one side to another. So it's going to take the heated air or heated water vapor side from one side, and then that water vapor is going to pass through that capillary core and go towards the cold side. So the potential for condensation is actually going to draw water vapor from one side to the other. And that's how we move energy from either the outside air or the inside air to the other airflow. So it doesn't matter whether it's the outside air that's hot or the inside air that's hot. Moisture will move from wherever that hot place is to that cooler place as that potential for condensation draws that vapor across. So, and that's how an ERV core works. Just a quick recap, our WhisperComfort ERV, it's a nice small footprint ERV. We see this in a lot of small micro units or single zonal spaces like rec rooms, media rooms, basements, large master bedrooms. It's a 10, 20, 30, 40 CFM balanced application and gives you a MERV6 filter on the fresh air. And with our new control functions, it'll allow you to turn it on or off or sideways or set your timer up so that it works whenever you need it. So the best way to find it would be to call your local HVAC or electrical distributor. If you have any challenges with that, you can go to our Panasonic website and we can actually direct you to a resource near you.
Okay, all right, thanks, Ken.
Yeah.